Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be a major leap in performance. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip has just been tested on Geekbench 6, and the results are impressive. It scored 2,884 in single-core performance and 8,840 in multi-core performance. These scores are record-breaking, especially the multi-core score, which is much higher than the multi-core performance of the iPhone 15 Pro. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in the Galaxy S25 Ultra has 8 cores and can reach a clock speed of up to 4 GHz, which is the highest we've ever seen in a phone. This means the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be incredibly fast. Qualcomm isn't just beating Apple in CPU performance, they're also aiming to outperform Apple in GPU performance. The graphics capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 are just as impressive. According to Digital Chat Station, which has a good track record with leaks, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip will give Samsung a big edge over Apple in GPU performance. This upgrade means the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have amazing graphics. With such powerful hardware, it would be great to see more games developed for Android to take full advantage of this GPU. Keep in mind that these are early scores for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, so performance might improve even more when it's used in the S25 Ultra. Samsung might finally introduce satellite connectivity with the Galaxy S25 series. A recent software code leak shows that Samsung is working on emergency SOS and text messaging through satellites. This means you'll be able to both send and receive text messages via satellite. iPhones have had this feature since the iPhone 14, so it's about time Samsung adds it to the Galaxy S25 series. With the Galaxy S25 series, we'll see a new version of One UI called One UI 7.0. There have been many recent leaks showing what it will look like, and it seems to be inspired by iOS. The update is currently delayed because Samsung is fixing some issues before releasing it to beta testers. If everything goes well, we might see the beta version at the end of this month. If the beta isn't out by the end of this month, it might be pushed to the first week of September. So, that's the first look at the Geekbench 6 scores for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. This chip will bring major performance and battery life improvements thanks to Qualcomm. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you later.